Hello all, this is Revati from BJC Group, Government City College, Hyderabad. Today I am going to explain about borazine. In this we can learn about its structure. Borazine is also known as a borazole. It is a polar inorganic compound with the chemical formula B3H6N3. In this cyclic compound, there are 3 BH units and 3 NH units which are present alternatively. The compound is isoelectronic and isostructural with benzene. This borazine and benzene which look similar in the structure. For this reason, borazine sometimes is referred to as a inorganic benzene. Like benzene, borazine is a colorless liquid. Borazine is a colorless liquid with an aromatic smell. Next one, preparation methods of borazine. The compound was reported in 1926 by the chemist Alfred Stock and Heinrich Poland by the reaction of diborane with the ammonia. First preparation method of borazine is by diborane with ammonia. Borazine can be synthesized by treating diborane and ammonia in 1:2 ratio at 250 degrees to 300 degrees Celsius with a conversion of 50% of borazine. 3B2H6 plus 6NH3 gives rise to 2B3H6N3. B3H6N3 which is called as borazine plus 12H2O. This is the preparation method of borazine. Next one, structure of borazine. Borazine is as we know that it is isoelectronic and isostructural with the benzene and has similar connectivity. So sometimes referred as an inorganic benzene. This comparison is not rigorously valid due to the electronegativity difference between boron and nitrogen. X-ray crystallographic structural determinations show that the bond lengths within the borazine ring are all equivalent at 1.429 angstroms, a property shared by benzene. However, the borazine ring does not form a perfect hexagon. The bond angle is 117.1 minutes at the boron atoms and 122.9 minutes at the nitrogen, giving the molecule distinct structure. Here we can see the structural diagram of a borazine.